it's James Akers here, the tie guy. I do these videos where I teach people how to tie ties, and I do reviews of luxury menswear and things like that. But today we're going to talk about what I think is one of the most underrated brands on the planet, and that's Ermenegildo Zegna. People that really know men's luxury fashion are familiar with the Zegna brand. But a lot of people out there have no idea what Zegna is. You know, most people I talk to, if they ask what brand my tie is or my suit is, if I would say Zegna, they would say, what's that? And I'm okay with that because it's not about the label or you know, being up in people's face. It's about the quality of the product to me. And Ermenegildo Zegna is actually one of the most profitable or most revenue generating men's brands on the whole planet, and they make suits for a lot of the big name designers as well. But their stuff is just really high quality. So today is all about Zegna. So we're wearing a Zegna suit, a Zegna shirt, and a Zegna tie. And no, Zegna doesn't pay me anything. I just think they make a great quality product. You do pay a price for it. I mean, it's very expensive stuff, but it's very, very good stuff. So today we're tying a very classic Zegna tie. It's a brand new tie. I just got it in. Look forward to tying it up. And I've got a bunch of Zegna ties, so I've tied a bunch before, but not this one. This is a very traditional, very classic looking tie. It's got gray diagonal stripes with a little turquoise stripe going across, and then almost a navy blue surrounded by red. So it's got several colors in it. And I could have went a lot of different directions with the look today with this tie. I could have went with a blue shirt, a purple shirt, a pink shirt, white shirt, yellow shirt. So many ways you could go. Could have went the brown suit, a gray suit, a blue suit, a navy suit. So today I decided on a white shirt that has a little bit of a pinkish look to it, and a navy blue suit to pair with this. As far as the tie review goes, Zegna products are good. The silk lay is really nice. This is a fairly thin Zegna tie. Just a very high quality silk. Just has a really nice feel to it. The little red stripes, I don't know if you see on this camera. On my Instagram we'll have close-ups. Check that out. But the red stripes actually have a ridge that's been sewn in. So a lot of craftsmanship went into this tie. And the silk feels great. So let's tie it up and see how it comes together. Now with a Zegna thinner tie, I typically need to be around this area on my spot. So that's going to put this side of the tie a little bit under my pec. I did a review of a Ralph Lauren purple label tie the other day, and it actually was all the way up to here. You know, big difference there. And especially when you're trying to tie a full Windsor like what I tie. So let's take the long part of the tie over top of the short part. Then we come underneath, up, and through. Then we're going to go around behind, keeping everything nice and tight. The secret to a nice knot is keep it tight as you tie it. All the way around, up and over, down and through. Now this is the checkpoint. Because I've kept my knot nice and tight, this should look like a triangle starting to come together, and it does. Now we'll take the long part of the tie out over the front, creating a pocket. I'm keeping this nice and flat. Behind, up, and through. And then I'm going to push it down through that pocket I just created. Hold the top of the pocket, pull the tie all the way through. Now we make our final adjustments. We're going to turn this down, and the knot's a little squarish now, but the magic happens when I actually pull the tie to tighten the knot. So we're going to do it now. You hold the knot and you pull in the long part of the tie, and now we've got us a triangle. Then we pull the short part of the tie, do the same thing, and bring it up to our neck. Now we want the tip of the tie, that's this part right here, to come between the top and the bottom of our belt buckle. That's a perfectly tied tie. And it's just right about halfway, just above halfway, so it's absolutely perfect. Let's pull the collar down. Let's tidy everything up. Now, if Zegna wanted to sponsor me, I wouldn't complain at all, you know, but I would still do reviews of other brands. So if you're out there, Zegna, and you want to do that, you know, I believe in your product. I actually named my dog Zegna because I think it's such a cool name, and they make a great product. I don't favor them over others. I do love this as well. Kiton, I mean, Stefano Ricci are some great brands. So it's just, I think Zegna is probably the most underrated of all of them. That's my opinion. So let's tidy this all up. We don't want any gaps right here, so we're going to take and pull the knot up to the top. We want this symmetrical, so we want to be right in the middle. Look how perfect that triangle is. We got a little dimple going on there, and we just have a beautifully tied, beautiful tie. So we're going to tuck the back into the keeper back here, and then we're going to go through the look with you. So the look will start scrolling across the bottom of your screen, and I'm going to go through it with you right now. I've already kind of given away the look. It's Zegna, 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 right? We mixed in a little Ferragamo, so we'll go over that in a second. So we've got a navy blue. Ermenegildo Zegna Suit. We have a white with a pink hue, Ermenegildo Zegna Shirt. We have an Ermenegildo Zegna Tie that has got diagonal stripes of gray, navy blue, turquoise, and a little bit of red. We're pairing that today with a brown Salvatore Ferragamo belt with a silver belt buckle and a pair of Ferragamo light brown Oxfords. The other thing we're doing today, I haven't done this much, and I've had some requests for it. I almost always wear a watch. Matter of fact, I feel naked without a watch. And I haven't been incorporating watches into my videos. So today I have this Kearnshaw automatic watch. It's a skeleton look, and it's got a really nice blue leather band. And that's going to look really nice with this suit. So that's the watch that I'm going to be wearing today. And on my Instagram, if you check out my Instagram, Tie Guy James Akers, you're going to see close-ups of the whole outfit. You'll see close-ups of it staged. You'll see close-ups of the tie, selfies of me wearing it all. Let me just get this watch on here. And you can see how good that looks with this outfit. So it all comes together. So the question I was asked about the watch is, do I do steel or leather? And the answer is I do both. It really depends on the outfit I'm wearing and the vibe I'm feeling at that time. Normally I put the watch on before I put the shirt on, but I wanted to show it to you in the video. So check my Instagram out, selfies of me, close-ups of everything. If you like my videos, please click subscribe and like. I will always give you honest reviews. I will always do my best to tie the perfect tie and teach you guys a little bit more about men's professional dress. Have a great day, guys. Hey, I'm ready for work.